you. Morning, good morning, good morning. We're gonna have a lot of fun this morning. Kind of hoping there's some kind of news at 8:30. Why is this taking so long? Maybe restream isn't showing. Yes, it is. Why are I not? Oh, what's going on with restream? Why can't I see my? Wow. Might have to restart this one. Interesting. How in the world is it showing live on my channel, but not through my channel content? Well, that's fucked up. Let me go back. Yep, nope. You're wanting to let me edit my own channel. What the fuck? Hmm. There you go. Edit video. There we go. Wow. I guess Restream's having some issues this morning. I don't think that's us. All right, let's see what's going on. Got that down. What's today's date? Uh, we have training today. This is the 20th, so 7/22. All right. We're out. Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody's off to a good morning. Actually got some sleep last night. Did all my Wim Hof and breathing and even a little weightlifting stuff. I haven't even gotten TikTok set up yet. Getting closer. Let's see. Okay. I think we're good on YouTube. Swing over to there, see if anybody's there. Let's, oh yeah, good. What's up, Jason? Morning, Jason. No news. Oh, too bad. Morning, Stefan. Good morning, Amy Lou. How have you been? Oh my goodness. What's up, Amy? What's up, Guy Berger? Good morning, Erica. Good morning, Brian. Good morning, Nathan. Awesome. All right, let's get rolling on TikTok. Amy Lou, prayers are with you. God bless everybody this morning. Yeah. All right, I believe we have our live rolling. Let me make sure we're on TikTok though. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh, okay. Sweet. Live on TikTok. Yep. YouTube. Yep. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Morning, Nathan. Working 14-hour days, 7 days a week with no days off, still fighting that rating divorce. Oh boy, the bears are with you, I'm telling you. Yeah, tough, tough, tough in this world. That's why you all got to be appreciative and blessed and thankful to God for everything we have. Life is challenging. Life is hard. Always thankful for everything we got. Good morning, Liz Big. Good morning, Sishu. Good morning, Larry. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Let me see. Let's call this thing off there. I only got the computer straightened out, I think, for the most part. I have 3 trades open still. All the rest were tapped on this downward move. I have a NAS buy, 2 US 30 buys, locked in profit. Let me get to that a little bit right now. Pink to the blue, filled in, closed down one of your US 30s, keep one open. Talking about weekly trades here, you can clearly see the US 30 back down where it needs to be. We haven't seen a fill in the gap yet, though, and the pink and the purple hasn't reset down low on the day. So until these come down, look very much like it did right here. Um, we'll have to call the buy stop on a daily, and then we're going to have some sells, I'm sure, along the way. Yeah, these are starting to flip. So we'll take a look at all these real quick, make some call outs. Before we do that, however, let's take a look. Simply, the United States Patent and Trademark Office issued myself, my loving wife, a United States of America trademark. This isn't going to be issued. This has the seal on the stamp. It is issued for a Class 41 trademark. All indicators, including the names, are trademarked. Coaching in the field of stock market trading, coaching in the field of building generational wealth through stock trading. I think that's cool as fuck. Not only is it trademarked, it's also NDA protected, which has been in court. People who ever try to profit off the system, meaning you can use it for your personal use. You can't try to charge other people for things. You can't try to teach other ways of teaching it. You can't do anything other than use it for your own purposes. If you do that, that's great. More power to you. Okay. In order to understand what we're dealing with, I am not a financial advisor. I am not a qualified licensed investment advisor. You need to conduct your own due diligence. You need a trade only demo. You need to understand I'm just a social media influencer that is strictly looking for our logo in order to trade. Bring it up and read down. If you understand I am not a financial advisor, nor is anyone associated with this channel a financial advisor. We only trade the green up arrow and the red down arrow. That it is a trademark and NDA protected system. Then yes. Yay, Amy Lou, and I look forward to that day. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Thanks for being on both. Good morning, Kelly McMahon. Oopsie, hold on. There we go. Now I'll see both. Cool. Good morning, Priscilla Surgeon. Let's take a look at our Discord. Guess there was a signal called out. Jimmy Wayne loved it. 90 pips up. Cool. This person here, 2482. Nice job on that. FF. This is my first week of live trading. Nearly doubled my $5,000 account, but I play safe this week. Thank you, Kevin, Bree, and Keith. You're welcome, FF. Outstanding job. SPX going to its 15 and eventually heading towards the 30-minute blue line. I believe SPX hit its 30-minute blue line the other day and even blew past that. Let's go over to SPX real quick. Yeah, it's going to ricochet, come back up, and do another touch. We might be in a, I'm assuming we're somewhere in a 30-second buy. Yep, that's it. Yep, that's it. Yep, that's it. 1 minute. Oh, just touched. Ricochet, buy stop, US 30 back to its 1 minute blue line. Jimmy Christmas. Okay, well, SPX, yeah, that's like that. All right, buy stop. All three indices, play any 10-second, 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute buy stop to NAS's 1 minute blue line. SPX's 1 minute blue line. I don't know about US 30 hitting back. I'm sorry, to its 3 minute blue line. Buy stops until the 3 minute blue line for SPX and NAS. Not sure we're going to see US 30 hit that 3 minute, but you can always play the rises. I'm already in the buys. I'm staying in there. It did take profit. That's some gold that I like. I'll look at that in just a second. All right, let's take a look then. 1 hour buy, 2 hour buy, 3, yep. 4 hour buy, it's gonna be a 4 hour. 4 hour, 7 hour buy stop, US 30. Coming right up at it, actually, where you should be entering in. Entering off your 7 hour line. Lines. Yeah, I like this very much. Yeah, see, this is the challenge you're going to see here. Buy. See, now the blues, I don't like this. Take the buys, feel free, not saying not to. I'm particular. I might put in a buy stop on this US 30. I might not. Pink has to come down. Once this does, we'll be doing buys all the time. I'm already in 2 open trades with US 30. I've called out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. I think there's 2 right in here. So yeah, it's not a trade I'm necessarily huge to rush into. Still waiting for the pink to come up. We do have closure right here. You can go ahead and close down one of your US 30s and or SPX as demo trades. Feel free. Clearly see green has gone up and touched the yellow. It hasn't gone up yet to touch the blue yet, so I'm still holding my buys on that. And that's way long term. Weeklies can take 6 months or more to develop and finish out a trade. 7 hour, 4 hour, 7 hour buy, stop, enter off the 7 hour line, US 30. Long term NAS. 1 hour sell stop. 1 hour sell stop to the blue line, ricochet NAS is going to arch up, which it already is right now. It's going to arch up, hook back down to the blue line. 1 hour sell NAS. Ooh, love this stuff. Hell fucking still not good enough on it. On I know for the daily, but I'm gonna take it. All right. Yeah, coming down low enough too. Now they both are. Let me go down to let me see if this is it is. Okay. Buy stop. NAS. Love this as much or more than US 30 at the moment because US 30 has to reset on the daily. Buy stop. NAS 100. 12-hour daily. Love it. Love it. It's going to take a minute, but I do like that. That's a very nice trade. Same for SPX, I'm assuming 12-hour. Oh, difference. So it's 7. Yeah. 7-hour daily, 7 hours, but still popping as a 12. SPX, not as strong. It's going to follow anyways. Rarely does it lead, especially on the higher time frames. But same thing. It's going to be basically a 12-hour daily buy. NAS is a much better buy, in my opinion, today. 7-hour daily buy. And then US 30 is fine for the buy. Just be careful. It's just not reset yet on the daily. They call it. Weekly is you can play any of the time frames on a buy stop for the weekly, but just be prepared to hold that trade. Um, if you're playing the higher time, meaning might have to get some pips. That's all. All right. So that's US 30 NAS and SPX. I'll go over gold next. Good morning, Matt. Good morning, Jan. Hi, this is Guy Kowalski. Good morning, D Nice. Good morning, Jay Parker. Good morning, Filio. All right. Dun, 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 dun. Gold. See if we can get some. You know what? I forgot that we were going to do that. Let's sneak through a whole bunch of these and see what we can find. 15-second, 30-second watch. 15-second sell to the blue line. It's going to arch up. Yeah. It's going to hook up, come back down, touch the 30-second. Already did the 1 minute. All right. It's going to be a ricochet. It's going to arch back up, hook, come back down, 15-second sell to the blue line. Gold. 30 seconds. That's all we got. Oil. 15 seconds. Nothing. EURU. So I'm going to whip through a whole bunch of these just off the. No, nothing. GPV, JPY. Looks like a buy. Yeah, buy stop GPV, JPY, 15-second, 30-second to the 1 minute blue line. Odd USD. AUD, USD, nothing, nothing. XRP, sell to the, so, yeah, sell to the 15-second blue line XRP. But I love being right. I've been telling you guys buy since 31 cents. Double the money, XRP. I think it's going to go much higher. 1 minute, 3 minutes, buy. XRP, we'll get back to that. Ethereum. These are just your fast little ones. Sell stop Ethereum to the 1 minute line. Sell stop Ethereum to the 3 minute line. Amazon, I doubt. I never really trade. Yeah. No. All right. Let's go back to the full call-ups on gold. Found a couple in there we can take advantage of. How those play out too, if you guys would. Gold, 30-second touch, 3 minute buy, 1 minute, 5 minute, 30 minute, 30. Play any gold 1 minute through 30 minutes sell stop to the 30-minute blue line towards it anyways, forming a higher time frame buy on the 7 hour, 7 hour, 12 hour. So gold 30 minutes sell towards the 30-minute blue line, and then gold is a weekly daily buy. Is it close enough on a daily? Yes. Close enough on a weekly? No. Needs to drop down some more first. Then it will turn into the weekly, daily, weekly buy. U.S. oil. 15 seconds. 1 minute. Sell, sell, sell. Oil. Getting rocked. Love it. 1 hour sell. Play any 15-second through 30-minute sell stops on oil. 1 hour. 2 hours. Yeah, a little late, but whatever. Let's see. Oil's got to be forming something up here. It is 12 hour daily. Love it. Daily, weekly buy. I do love this trade. Daily, weekly. This is a double top end. It's going to drop first. Play any sells like I told you to. It's going to fall first, then wait. And it might take several weeks here. I don't know. Probably at least several days. But there'll be I like this daily, weekly buy, but it's going to take some time to develop. So play the faster ones. I bet you none of you have any patience for anything else. All right. Next, EUR USD. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Buy, nothing, nothing. Okay. EUR USD. Sell stop to the 15 or towards the 15-minute blue line. EUR USD. Forming a 4 hour, 7 hour buy. Love that one. It's a fill in the gap. It's a 12 hour. Not quite down to where I want it. EUR USD daily ricochet to the blue line or at least towards it on a buy. So medium term, play those sells, short to medium term sells, then look for the buy to come up to the blue line on EUR USD. GBP JPY, I don't. Everyone always says whatever. I don't give 2 fucks. Buy stop, GBP JPY, eternity buy stop. So otherwise noted on the daily/weekly charts to buy for anyone you can find. Odd USD, another ricochet. AUD USD. This is the one we were testing. Remember, it tapped me out at profit. I like it though. It's forming a beautiful buy. Daily buy. Weekly sell. I like that buy. XRP, I already explained the other. I don't give 2 fucks. Buy stop XRP for any buy stop you can find on XRP. Just crazy. I don't give a care. It is what it is. I've been screaming this top of my lungs. Any buy stop XRP 15 seconds through weekly. Ethereum, I'll go in a little more detail. Larry, one of our guys, plays it regularly. Sell back to the blue line, 15 seconds. Yeah, blada to 30 to 1 minute. To the 1 minute. Sell to the 1 minute. Ethereum. I'll stop forming a 30-minute. A little Ethereum go. Gee, I wonder if anyone was in a buy in that, Larry. These are my weekly buy stops I called out on 624 and 625. 3,000 has gone up over $500 a point. Not a bad call out for Larry. All right. 7 hours. So 12-hour daily, weekly. It's got to be a daily, weekly. It is. It just can't call it. Look at that call we made. Ooh, I think that worked out rather well. Not much to call out. You're in the buy, hopefully, and if not, tough shit. Should have listened. Bitcoin, same. Amazon, take a buy. Matter of fact, it might be dollar cost averaging against more myself here. Yeah. Let it keep falling. I'll start smashing some buys into Amazon. I own XRP. I own Amazon. My theory goes if Amazon goes to zero, uh, everybody out there has hell of a lot more to worry about than trading. You'd have a shit ton more things to worry about. All right. Good morning, Ore. What's up, Raider Trader? Good morning, Philio, Jay Parker, and D Nice, and Matt Parker, and Jan again. All symbols we normally call and follow have been called out. Some should make you some quick, easy money. Some may not. 22 minutes. Nice. I'm going to call on that. All right. Let's see. I don't know. It's supposed to be like rain here for like the next week or something. I was a little crazy. It's like, really? Like we're in a tropical storm or something. I don't know. Nope, not telling Adrian about that. Oh, yeah, for tier ones. Shit. I don't know if I'll be able to talk to Keith this morning. All right. Yes, and goodbye. Nice, Larry. All right. Does anybody have any questions or concerns, comments, happy thoughts, sad thoughts? What do you guys have for me? Any other symbols you'd like me to look at? Some people call it those really weird things. That's fine. I don't care. If it is something weird, let me know. Any other symbols you want me to look at? Been doing some stretching lately. They used to be pretty flexible, not so much anymore. All right. Morning, Orlando. MNRA. Good morning, BCM. All right, let's see if we can find that one. Then, uh, I guess this one. Buy weekly should have already been. It kind of looks like a mini. I don't know what this is. Charts remind me of XRP. Buy daily. Looks like some kind of manipulation right here, big time. I don't know what the hell this is. Looks like huge manipulation. Daily, 12-hour was a buy. Little late to the party. Let me see if I can get a nice little read on that. Looks low volume to me, but I don't know what this is. Buy stop to the 1 minute blue line. Buy stop to the 3 minute blue line. MNRA. Buy stop to the 5 minute blue line. Play any buy stops to the 10 minute blue line, at least towards it. Yeah, I think it's going to hit that actually. 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. Buy on the four. So you should enter down here in that, but that's okay. Let's see how high she can go. Yeah, you still have some more playroom and stuff in the weekly, but we don't have a weekly blue line. Yeah, you still have, play any buy stop you can find on this MNRA until the weekly pink comes up to the non-existent blue line right here. He doesn't have enough history for me to be able to read that, but I'm 99% sure that's what you got. But yeah, you're a little late to the party. You should have got in down here at around 513. Could have already been up $30, $40, whatever. Not too late. Yeah, not too late. Play any buy stops on the way up there. Now after that, I mean, this is really, I don't know what this is. Doesn't have history with the shit. See, this is so, I don't know. There's not enough history to make the call on anything else. I'm winging the weekly for you, but it should work. Hope that help, BCM. All right. Again, my three buys that I have open trades are buys. One is NAS, two are US 30. You can't close your US 30s. It has to build in the gap, but I'm going to keep holding mine. I like the way it looks as far as the forward. All right. Now, let's be clear on a whole bunch of things. We have a big form with rules. The rules that are in here work flawlessly. If you follow these rules, you'll make as consistent profit trading as you can. I have certain things in my life that are an absolute must. One is doing God's will on here on earth, whatever He may want that to be. Number two is I take care of my wife, and then my children, and then my family, no matter what. Three is I am here to help each and every one of you make as consistent profits as possible. I don't give too, see, some of you are mistaken. You think that, oh, well, Kevin's being dogmatic and he's being a dick and he's being too strict with us. The best way I found to help you all make consistent profits is the system I had. If it was head and shoulders, I would teach you head and shoulders. If it was Fibonacci retracements, I would teach you Fibonacci retracements. If it was volume, I would teach you volume and VWAP. In my limited 10-year career as a trader, the last, I don't even know, 5 or 6 from home, well, from wherever I want, as a, I guess, I don't know what you call it, I'm a professional trader. I want to be the clean and be. I just happen to be okay at it. So the last say half decade, I'm trading wherever I want, and the way I found it to be most accurate, most consistently make profits trading is with my system. If it wasn't, I wouldn't have had to fucking trade it. So how do you get consistent results with my system? Is you follow the rules. You have a step-by-step walkthrough of the rules. Yet some people, when they email us, when they first get it, oh, is there a walkthrough? Do you guys do training every other Monday? We do beginners training. You have to be the first time. That's today at 1. Then I do advanced trading. It'll be today at 2. We'll do all of our be very fast. And that's taught live by me. I hold your hand through all of it. But the reality is none of you know 70 to 80% of you, I want to exaggerate, don't read these rules one time. You'd rather ask stupid question after stupid question that's answered in these rules than read them. If you'd actually read and memorize the rules that you're supposed to do, including the rules we added to, all of a sudden you guys are doing as well as what? Well, we have a signal service based off of the rules. The signal service aren't based off of any other bullshit. The signal service is based off of rules. And the signal service calls out trade after trade correctly based off of these rules. See your little buys right here, in the money, 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 made money. All of these made money. And they're not based off of some randos, one of our members, no matter how nice and kind they are, where they have 6 or 8 charts open. That's not the rule. If you follow the rules, you will type out the number 7. If you understand that if you follow the rules, you'll be able to make these exact same calls that you see in the signal service. It's just what it is. People try to reinvent the wheel, it's been invented. They try to reinvent fire, it's been invented. There is no secret sauce. Secret sauce is the rule. Oh, some of you don't understand. I don't give a fuck. The rules are the rules, and eventually they'll click in and you'll get them. Okay? Uh, what's up, Luke? What's up, Favor Benjamin? Discord server link. You don't get in the Discord unless you're part of this. It's the Moderna one of the kind. Oh, that's why they have their stock symbol the same as COVID. That's funny. All right. So with that knowledge in mind, what's up, Garth? Good morning, Garth. You guys have to understand there is no other secret sauce. This isn't offending to anyone. This is just facts. So remember, if you need help before emailing us, go to your rules, go to the Discord and ask questions, go to your YouTube channel, attend an advanced training session today at 2:05. You'll get an email about 5 minutes before. Ask your questions on my lives. Google is your friend. Go to your initial training video, then email us. When you email us stupid ass questions that are answered in all these different ways, either I'll catch it and laugh at you, or Bree will help and try to help you. If I catch you, you're lucky if I laugh at you. Okay, I had to put this in. I'm embarrassed I had to add this to our rules. But warning, do not teach any other members any other way of using the safety trade system, or you and the other members will be banned for life. No questions asked, no refunds. Also, no shits given. And we know there's a couple people out there that are teaching a certain way, and they do this and they do. That's great. You can tell yourself that. You can help yourself doing that. And I hope you learn everything you have. But officially, and the only way you're allowed to teach it to anyone else is by teaching the rules. Once you teach the rules to people, by the way, You'll understand the system better. You'll get the rules. Common sense and common decency will tell you that we have thousands of members. There's only one way to trade, and that is according to these rules. Honest to God, the rules that have this type don't work. If they didn't work, think of this. I'm not dumb. If there was another way of using my system was better than the way I'm currently using my system, I would adapt the rules to do that. There is not and never has been a better way to use the system. And how do I know for a fact that they work now near 100% accuracy? Because of the signals. The signals can't call out these trades. Look, 100% accuracy or near it, buy stop money, buy stop money, buy stop money, buy stop money, unless the rules work. So anyone that says, "Oh well, this isn't the rules," don't. There's those days of doubting are gone. There is no more doubting. Because the worst case scenario is all you're going to learn to do is trade arrow to arrow, match two little trades up, and you're going to make money. That's it. I don't. There is no more doubting. Does it work or doesn't it? Did this fucking call signal make money? Did it or did it not? Yes. Did this saw signal make money? Did it? Yes or no? Yes, it did. It's as simple as that. There is no trades that don't make money if you follow the rules because there they are. I'm sorry to beat this dead horse to the ground, but some of you are looking for a secret sauce up somebody's ass. They don't fucking have it. If anyone that you ask help for any one of the people out there that are making money through they show you on a Discord live, they don't say, go to the rules, let me help you learn the rules, then they're teaching you wrong. And you need to report them and they need to be taken out of the system. Simple as that. I don't give two fucks. I'm not here to make friends with people that are here. I'm here to help you all make consistent trading profits, period. And if there's a better way than my system, I'll adapt to it. If there's somehow my system isn't being used the most efficient way, let me know. If you think that you're going to go out there teaching other people and training other people the wrong way, fuck that and fuck you. It ain't happening. This is what works. Period. This is what works. Period. You can clear. Look, this is gold. This is a weekly 2 EST1, which means this is a daily high right here. Yep, there it is. Green, 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 red, green, green. This is it. Just because, and I'm going to be honest with you, just because somebody's out there ignorant, it doesn't know how to use the system, and they're teaching other people the ignorant way of trading, doesn't make them right. They're wrong. The same person, people, there's multiple people. One of them drives me nuts. I don't get into it. Another one's a super nice fellow. We only had one lady. She tried selling it to some Russian group. She got sued. Chicago took everything she thought she made times 10. Actually, not fucking around. There's one way to trade the system, and I'm teaching you it right now. Oh, well, there's drawdown on my daily. Da, 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 I'm trying to get funded. Well, fuck you. Don't get funded. Don't trade daily. Go down to the 30-second trade down there then. There's going to be drawdown most likely on a daily week trade. Are you kidding me? Of course. I'm clear on those points. I'm not going to be the dead horse. Good morning, Banner Video. What's up, Banner? But I am going to protect my baby at all costs. Okay. This is gold. Normal. Let's go over how we normally look at something. We'll work our way up. Inside of here. Nowhere else. We don't have to look anything else to do here. Nothing to do under here. Okay. So we're only focused right here. This is all we're looking at is inside the white rectangle. Thank you, Larry. It's green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. You place your buy line right here along either the green or the yellow entry, and you sit and wait. What is a buy stop? Is a future pending order. What is it? You put it right here like this. You wait for price action, either go up above it or not. Sometimes they engage, sometimes they don't. Sometimes you feel like a nut, sometimes you don't. Real almond joy gotten. No, don't. They're like, what the fuck is this guy saying? And fuck it, obviously. This is it right here. Every one of you should take a picture of this when it's green, 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 red, green, green. You do a buy stop. How do you do your buy stop? Place your line right here on your yellow or green line. I put it lower. If it's a buy stop on the daily, you do a buy stop on your daily lines. This is how you trade this. Is there any questions? Let me show you exactly how this works, and I'll answer your questions. Green in our business means up. So we'll see these three green lines right here. One, two, three. That means these three pushing up. These boxes right here are green and green. When you see red in our business, that means down. There's only one bullshit detector line down right here. So this is basically you're looking at five up candles, right, is bigger than one down. So five beats one. So when you see this setup, you have five things pushing up on it, only one going down. So we know that this is going to go up because five guys beat up one guy. Five, I don't know, anything will beat one. It's bigger than one. So this is going to go up. If you have five balloons tied onto one human being and there were five hot air balloons, they will pull the one person up. It pulls up the tray and it goes. And this is called a pending order buy stop. I hope everyone understands that. Yes, is if you guys understand that's a buy stop. And that's the first thing I taught you all years ago, a couple of years ago, what a buy stop is. Some of you had trouble with that, couldn't do that on your own. Yes, Larry, thank you. Amy, Livia, yes, okay. Some of you still couldn't catch on to that. So then I had to do something. I had to make another indicator to help you all see things clearly. This is called the sniper. So the sniper, no sniping, is this. When the blue line's low on the daily against the blue line high, blue line low, that is another two confirmations that the trade is going to go up. So then now we have two more green arrows here, and then on our higher time frame, we'll get to. I'll open up those in a second. So now there's two. Now we went from five confirmations to seven confirmations and only one down. So now you guys have the ability to have seven after it's up to 20. Down, but so now they're calling the trade, and the sniper is something that I will never trade without. It's currently $150 a month, but I'm telling you, within the month, end of next month at the absolute latest, the sniper will be $250 a month unless you're grandfathered in. Meaning, if you have it for $150 a month, you keep it. If you don't have the sniper at $150 a month, you're paying $250 a month. Coming up within a week or two to a month. It's happening. I don't give a shit. It's going to 250. I'm trying to offset the signal price, but we'll get to that later. So this is Soldier Strike. Let me show you what that looks like. we're going to take all this down. Okay. All right. So now we're going to show you exactly how to use the sniper. And since we have a huge 75-inch screen fucking TV, we can actually see two charts on our there we go. Beautiful. What we can do is we can see two charts clearly on our there we go. One was down here on TikTok now. All right, so here we go. Let me teach you how this looks in real life. We have our logos, and I know this confuses a lot of you. I can't help it. I don't know how it confuses you, but price starts below, comes up, retraces here, retraced here, up she goes. It also has a logo here in her daily book, so here, up she goes. That's our logo. How does it look like in our normal? Looks like this, where it's wherever the retracement is here. Is this buy stop, wherever the retracement is here, buy stop. So this is what it looks like with the sniper. Watch. So fucking cool and easy. One, blue line high, two, pink line low, three, blue line low, four. Is there a buy stop? So now, if you look at all these things before, we only had the one confirmation, green, 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 red, green, green. No longer is that just the only case. Now we have the sniper, which is the most important. Blue line high, pink line low. There's two. Blue line low, three. Buy stop here, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Two of our box are green, our logo's green. Two of our box are green, our logo's green. We have our three right here, green, 1, 2, 3. Then we have our space right here. So now let's see how many of our buys we have being called out by the system. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We have 17 different confirmations that this trade was going to go up. Only one saying it was going to go down, which is the bullshit detector, which is telling us that's a lie. So it's 17 versus 1. 17 confirmations with my system saying it's going to go up. 17 times it says it's going to go up. 17 is bigger, right, than 1. If you have 17 things telling you, hey, this trade is going to go up, it has no chance in hell of going down. It can only go up. Now, we start throwing in our signal service, and now all of a sudden we're going to be up, because if we go to the signal service on the weekly, go to signal service on the daily, you can see buys. If we go to signal service on the hourly, we'll see tons of buys on the way up. We'll probably be somewhere in the range of, I don't know, 30 to 40 buys if we look at all the signal services. Instead of being 17, it would be somewhere around 30 to 1 saying buy. And then you don't understand why to take the trade. You look how silly you look now, how foolish some of you are. If you don't think that the 17 signals that are being shown here as buys work every time, it works every time. I give God whatever he wants to do. It's 99% accurate. Whether you can read all those things accurately, whether you can do all those things accurately, I can't help you. That's why I invented the signal service. For those of you who can't see 17 fucking signs to go up, and that you have the signal service to tell you that you're in and out of the demo trails. Good morning, Brian Claus. What's up, Brian? Does everybody see the 17, or you want me to explain each one of those again for you? I have no problem explaining it. You all see the 17 signals from our logo to the box, to the fill in the gap, to the pink line low, blue line high, which is the most important thing off the sniper. And that's not even all of them. If I pull in the signal service, we'll be up over 30, which I might just do. So the system is screaming and yelling at you to take this by. This happens to be gold. If you go ahead and take a picture of this and you do this only trade, you don't need to open up 10 fucking charts. You don't need to open up 6 fucking charts. You don't need to open up price action on the 15-second fucking chart. You don't need to do any of that. What you need to do is follow these freaking rules. And somehow I don't explain this clearly enough. Somehow I don't take my time explaining this. Somehow I don't say this over and over and over and over and over and over again for a year or two. Somehow people don't understand words. Somehow somebody doesn't understand my language. Somehow somebody thinks that I'm not being as direct as I possibly can be. How much more fucking direct can I be than taking? Oh, let me get me started. This is it. This is what you do. If you don't think fucking 17, telling you 17 times to go up to take a trade, and you're still wondering if you should take the effing trade, it isn't the system fault. Look in the mirror, it's yours. Don't tell me I didn't train. Oh, I didn't train you right. I need a session and I'm going to do it. And I'm going to do it. I'm going to do only buys. And I'm going to do only sells. And I'm going to do only the originals. And I'm going to do only the sniper. And I'm going to do only the thing. But give me a break. Can this be any clearer? Oh, there's a lot of arrows showing you when there's a fucking buy. Green means up, red means down. What the fuck? I don't know what else to do other than I just I don't know. It's getting to the point of absurdity though. If you can't see that all that green means up and the one little red is going to get overwhelmed by that, then don't trade. I don't know. Then go to someone else's system and lose money. I don't know what to tell you. Then I pull it up where I can show you the signal service, and it's even easier. Just fucking trade a fucking blue line that tells you to fucking take the demo trade and take the fucking demo trade. But somehow that isn't clear. You know, I gotta show it over and over and over again. Really? I know some of you have never traded before, and that's a good thing. Some experienced traders, well, on the 15-minute, it was going down and showing a sell stuff and blah, 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 blah. Get out of here. Take a picture of this. This is what you trade. Daily, weeklies. It's never going to miss. Simple as that. Show me a time. And I have many people, thousands of students try to show me a time when this didn't work. It never has not worked on a weekly, daily. Period. First time, never, ever, 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 ever. This setup was never done. It's always been profitable. I always say God can do what he wants if he can. But other than that, this is going to work. I made you all, it's a $7 trillion a day business. Made you all trillionaires. No one believes me. You're all billionaires. No one believes it. I definitely made billionaires. That's what I've been told and shown. A couple of people have used the system to become millionaires. I know other people have retired from the system. They have several $100s a day. $1,000 or more comes to mind. There's definitely a few of those. 2 homeless people are no longer homeless because of some Billy and Sarah, Kevin. Those 2 guys are no longer homeless. I know the system works. I do know that 90% of you are too lazy to even read the rules, let alone memorize them, let alone take a picture and only trade this trade. You all want to be down in the 15-second and 30-second area where you're gambling, risking everything. The system still works there, but it happens a lot faster than dailies do. But whatever, I'm telling you what to do. Somehow I'm not speaking English. Somehow it's going to go right over your head. Somehow it's going to be like, oh, well, Some people relate to you and some people don't. What, don't relate to speaking English? Then learn English or get it translated into Spanish or whatever. I don't care. I wish I spoke Spanish to help you all out. My brother can a little, but he's not that good. Dr. Dave can. I don't have another language, otherwise I'd teach him another language. It's English. Put on captions. I don't know what else. If I pull up any other symbols, if I do 1 hours and 15 minutes, or I do dailies in 1 hours, this same exact setup will be there and it will work just like I'm showing. The blue line always follows the higher time frame. Not sure what you mean, Tank Dog, but good morning to you. Yes, we see it. Just Brian starting. Start. Aw, there you go, Amy. Yes, ma'am. Very proud of you. And what you're doing is just my prayers and thoughts and blessings are sent your way. All right. And again, some of you are like, oh my God, he's teaching this again. And then there's others, people out there like, oh, Kevin never shows us exactly what to do. You know how fucking insulting that is? When every day I tell you what to do, every day I show you what to do, every day I explain the same thing over and over and over and over again, thousands of times now, and thousands of live YouTube videos. Oh, I don't know. I don't. Kevin doesn't explain it step by step. Kevin doesn't show us. What the fuck? And then you guys go to some yahoos out there that aren't even consistent in their trading. I don't want to call out anybody, but I guarantee you'd be shocked if you knew, the win rate of some of these people you're trying to learn from. No, if you're going to teach the system, you teach it according to the effing rules. Look at it. This is it. This is all there is to trading. This is gold. We can go to Amazon. We can go to Amazon. We can pull up Amazon. We can pull up Amazon. We can look at its hourly. Oh, this is what I don't want. Hold on. This is a second. There we go. Pull up Amazon and we'll look for a daily and either 1 hour, 30 minute, 50 doesn't matter, but we'll do a daily on the left. Watch. We're going to find the exact same setup. We'll do hourly over here on the right. We'll find the exact setup. Exactly. I mean, this is, I'll show you exactly where it's going to be. Here it is. There'll be one right here. I'll show you a buy stop. What's called an hourly. There it is, right there. So I'm going to redo all these things for you. So what we're looking for here, and found by the way, is one blue line high, pink line low, and that's one and two. The most important possible trades ever in the history of the world are those. There's nothing else that matters in this world. Nothing else. Okay. So if one blue line is high, that's a green arrow. Right here. Two, pink line is low, that's a green arrow. Three, blue line is low, green arrow. Then we have all our greens with a broken block. Green, 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 green. Technically, if you want technical, just there. There it is right there. And look at calling the daily. It's so smart. Oh my gosh. So you have your line low, high stop, green, 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 red, green, green, broken box, which is a million trade combinations I quit teaching. It's still confused you all. Box, green, green, fill in the gap. This fills in over here. Green, 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 blue line high, pink line low. I don't know how many times it has to tell you this. Evidently 17 times throwing a daily buy here, and it's going to go up, and of course, it's as simple as that. I don't care if it's daily, hourly. And by the way, the hourly doesn't control the 15-minute anymore. The daily controls the 15-minute. The daily controls the 30-minute. The daily controls the 10-minute. The daily controls the 5. So yeah, that's it. When you see this movement up, you'll see about 17 to 20 different confirmations being up. They're already red down as a sea of green. We used to call it sea of green. It's going to go up, and it did go up, and it does go up. And it's that simple. I don't understand how any of you could be having troubles with any of that. I mean, it's quite frankly, blatantly, I don't know how, like, oh, well, we need to know this and we need to have this and the entry on that, this and that. Really? Well, everything is in your rules. It's not in some second rate trader that's trying to learn the system himself or herself. It's not in their arsenal to know any of that stuff. It isn't. And then we're not talking about anyone particular in the least. There are people out there who are not sure of the system themselves, which is fine. That's how you learn it, is by teaching it. But you sure as heck never charging for anything. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. I'm so annoyed. Makes me hurt. Some people you think the world of, and then whatever. Okay? Again, if you guys don't understand the system, rewatch training videos, rewatch this video, or buy the signal service. That's all I can tell you. And you're welcome, Susan. What's up, sister? How much is the system I want it all? What's up, sister? Good morning. First of all, you can buy it. Feel free to do whatever you want to do. But the reality is, why don't you watch some of my lives, learn it, make sure you're understanding everything. If you have been here, Chester, then by all means, this is what you do. You head over to here, to the safetytrade.com, and you buy it there. This is what it looks like right here. The safetytrade.com is where you go to. You buy 575 for the system. And if you want the sniper, I just showed you where you don't need it. If you want it, you can get it now for $150 a month, being raised to $250 in a couple of weeks here. But $150 a month for the sniper. And if you want the signals, which we didn't even go over yet, that ranges anywhere from 150 to 350. And the signal service is so freaking easy. I saved the best for last because it is so easy. It is almost embarrassingly easy to use. Let's go over here. Let's go to the daily. I don't know. We've been on Amazon. We've been on US 30. We've been on NAS. We've been on gold. I don't know. What the heck? HK50. Lord only knows what the hell that is. All right. HK50. Now we need to turn this off and turn on our daily HK50. Evidently the Hong Kong 50. We need to be on the right thing. Happy Natural Mango Day. You ever hear of such? Okay. Now, this is going to be the signal service. In this particular case, yellow means sell. We had to differentiate in our yellows. This is it right here. We're on HK50. Blue means buy, yellow means sell. I'm going to show you what it looks like with the playback so you can actually see the system in use. So let's go ahead and make sure we get to the first time it pops up. We're waiting for the W1 and the D1 to match colors. Sometimes it happens when it's a DST trade at the same time, so it's a very good learning experience. There it is. You see red and red arrow at the same exact time, so it's a W1 DST1. Actually, it could have called one back here, evidently it didn't see what it needed to on weekly, but it's reading the rules. The rules that I've just gone over with you guys. It's reading the rules. The AI, the great Keith Palmer, put some respect on the thing, the legend Keith Palmer, who's done all the coding for us here. Okay. W1, DST1. When these two match, they're both okay. Then we go ahead and we open up. I'm just doing 1,000 to make it more dramatic. We're going to go ahead and open up a cell right there, right when it first pops up and they go through these signals, as told you 1,000 times, and set into the Discord room. Look, it'll be sent to tier one, tier one weekly, daily, tier two weekly, daily, tier three weekly, daily. Tier one gets up to 20 signals a week. Tier two gets up to 10. Sorry, tier two gets up to 20, and tier three gets unlimited plus indicators to chart. So that's what happens on these trades. And then the signal goes to there. If you're in tier one, tier two, you have to write down your signal and watch it. If you're in, unless it's this particular one, you can take it live. And then once you're in tier three and you see these match up like this, you can literally put your order in and then you just let it trade. Just let the trade play out. This is your money over here, by the way. That's your money right there. And then we'll see if the trade goes up or down. And there it goes. Look at it drop. There you go. And that's your money. That's all you needed to do. You get out by not being greedy. There's rules there about how to get out. Get out. That's it. And that's your trade. So again, even if you don't understand my system, even if you don't understand anything to do with it, you can follow two little arrows. Oop, and there it is. That's it. Sorry to make things even easier for you, but I honestly didn't think I could make it from Mango Day. That's funny. I could make it any easier, but of course, thank God it's down to two little lines now. Is all. Good morning, little Joe. Good morning, Flight 379, Greg. Good morning. I see. Good morning, George. Everything, including the cipher and the signal. 575 for your yearly uh, uh, system. Then you pay $150 a month for your sniper. Then you can pay $350 a month for tier three. So $500 a month is what you'll be paying if you want everything. Good morning, Jackson. Thank you, Brian Foss, for answering. Jason will be 3 minutes. Oh, Naz is close to its 3 minute. All right, let's go to there real quick. 3 minutes here. Here. Oh yeah, no. I consider that a touch. Close enough. Horseshoes and hand grenades as called out. Naz has gone up and nearly touched, like he said, close enough. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yep, that is perfection right there. All right. Good morning, Greg. Smudge level 3. I just went over that for you. Yeah, so it's $500 a month total if you want both level 3 and tier 3, actually not level, tier 3 signals and the sniper. You're in the money on the buy stop called on NAS from this morning. In the money on that. Buy stop US 30 to the 1 minute blue line, at least towards it. NAS is going to its 3 minute line. I'm assuming SPX is too. Yeah, doggone SPX can be last place again. Yeah, it wins about maybe 20% of the time, but NAS is going to hit it first. It's like there's something other with SPX. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and say that is extremely close enough. Again, it's called the H&H standard for horseshoes and hanging eights. It doesn't have to necessarily get to the blue line. It just needs to get close enough there where you make money, and obviously you got close enough there and you all made money. All right. Anybody on TikTok or YouTube have any questions? I'm going to walk away for a split second and get something. If you have any questions, just message it right up front there. If you don't see it, then go ahead and email that in. I'll be right back in just a second. All right. Sometimes like watching paint dry when you see it going up there. It's kind of silly. Takes forever, in other words, for things to move. How do you know when to exit the trade? We have rules for that. Chester, everything's rules. That's how we're able to have the signal service be so freaking awesome. Let me just show you. Let's take a look at this. Let's go to let's go there. Just look at this. Look, this is so easy to see. These are your daily um, pre-signals right here where it says D1 and D2. So it's letting you know these other signals are coming. Imagine a system that is so accurate that it has a signal to tell you when other signals are about to happen. It's called the machine gun pre-signal. I call it that because look at all these other lines that are drawn. Looks like machine gun rapid fire, or I like to call it Netflix signal, but I'm sure Netflix will come back and sue me. So I have deep pockets. I don't have Netflix deep pockets, so I can't comment awful. But it'd be so cool where it goes to dun. They let me use that. It goes to dun and have that. Oh my gosh, that'd be so fucking cool. If I can ever get a hold of their CEO and show them how to make money using the system, I bet you let me use it. I bet you. So yeah, where were we? Yeah, so all these signals are popped out and coming now. All these lines are called Hydra 2.0 signals. Named in honor of we call it the Hydra 2.0 signals. It's amazing. And this is your D1. Now look at this D2 one. Look at how you can see how accurate this is. All you're allowed to do is take the first signal market order. So when one of these first pops up, you take it, and then of course it wins. But the reality is um, you can re-enter all these other trades using our rules, two rules basis. We call it rule based on that. Once the first time this matches, and then we do the rules. Just look at this D1, and then look at all the entries. If this isn't the most beautiful sight you've ever seen, does the system work? Well, here it is. There's no one, and there's a reason why I've been on TikTok for over 2 years and YouTube really coming up on 2 years in September, right? And this would stay 2 years, coming up on 2 years on YouTube. And there hasn't been one there's been professional traders call in and tell me how great it is, how good they're doing, and how they bought the system. But not one professional quote unquote trader has said, oh, well, this doesn't work, this isn't right. And now they can't because look, none of those lines retrace, none of them repaint is called in the business. If you have enough history, you can go back 6 months and see these. Matter of fact, you have enough history, go back to 1971 gold and see these. Look, it doesn't matter, buys or sells. See this daily right here. Oh, show them the wall ones. There's no engagement on the trade. There is on the lower time frame. If we went to the lower time frame, just to be correct. Have some cells in 30 seconds. But we're not talking about that time. No, all. Here's hourly. The first time, so here's a D4. The very first time the signal's called went up. Here's a D3. Here's a D3 right there. The very first time the signal was called. Over and over the again. Here's a D2. Look at it. Have you ever seen a more prettier or more accurate site? You want consistency in your trading? There it is with your signal servers. Here's your D1s. The D1s are always your best when it matches up, and look at it. Here's a D2 sell, but there is no D2 sell called. Nothing was called after that. Now, if you go back here and you go to your D1 right here, watch. Hey, look at how fucking accurate D1. Wait for the first signal, and it went straight down. You could play all these other signals. You just follow rules. The first time it happens, you do a called market order execution. You hit the fucking sell button when they first match. That's what you can do. Memo only. Okay. Step index gone. Good morning, step indicator. I don't know what the fuck you're talking about, but whatever. Look at how cool this is. I'm sorry. What am I even looking at? Oh, NAS. It doesn't on everything. It doesn't matter. I see Bitcoin. There's your D1 on the cell right there. Called it. Dropped down immediately. You can go to higher time frames so you can see the bigger picture. There's another cell right there. There's another buy. Another buy. D2 is another buy right there. D1's always the best. There's your buy. Look at all those fucking trades on Bitcoin. Oh my gosh. Let's just say all the way up to these last five, you could have taken, I can't, does someone want to count all those? I don't want to do it. 40, 50. Look at it. There's your pre-signal. First time it happens the best, E1. Here's the next actual signal. Now, I don't know if we can catch these on this time frame. I might have to go down. Let me see. I'll try to play these back for Bitcoin so you guys can see this live. It is so fun. I don't know if it catches it when I'm on the lower time frames, not on these higher time frames because of the way trading view reads. It can't even give me one. No, never. Okay, so it's going to make 15 minutes. Let me maybe 5 minutes. Let's try that. Select. Let's see now that we're down here at lower time. I feel so the first time they match, you have a D1 green. You have an M5 green. If it's flashed up, it goes into your Discord server. When they match for the first time, we'll be making a match first time roll for tier 1 and tier 2 and tier 3. But mainly, if you have a you can't miss this, we do such that, and we'll go right where you want to go to. You get what's called buy. And we buy it. Here's your money. You watch the playback now. Watch this shit. We'll do it one time. So right back. All these other times you see these flash, all these other times you see these flash, you can enter into the trade, but you just have to follow the rules, the two-step rules. It's moving a little too slow for my taste. Let's go ahead and increase that a little bit more. Okay. You'll see these flash over and over again. When they do, you can re-enter them. There's your money. Watch this as this pops back up again. You're about to see this go up high, high. It's forming buy stop after buy stop. There's your money. Look at it. Look at the call out. Look at it, call it correctly yet again. It does it every time. They're just not going to do this. And there it is. You can just keep doing it over and over and over again. And we should be on the. We should be on the. Oh, we're on it. We're on the 5 minute. Money here. When these flash, you can re-enter in. There it goes again. Just use the rules. There it is again. It go up again. That's all. Take it again and again and again. It doesn't matter about the dollar amount. It matters about the win rate. And the win rate is 100% on those trades. And that's that. Just gorgeous. Showed you on NAS, shows you on Bitcoin, shows you on HK50. If there is any news, by the way, some said there wasn't, but if there is, just don't play it. Stay out of it. Morning, LD. Off to work. Have a good day at work, Lou. God bless. Okay, thank you, Kate Parker. Kind of wanting news this morning. I was in the mood for news. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and say that's touchdown on NAS. Everyone made money on that call out this morning. That is fuck. That isn't a touch. Jeez, it's not a touch. It's damn fucking close. Buy stop to the blue line. NAS 3 minutes. Gonna do it again. But see how it just inches its way up, inches its way up. This retracement right here would have been either a 30-second buy stop, probably a 30-second. Maybe a one. Yeah, it was a 1 minute buy, 3 minute, 1 minute buy. Here. Have a great day, even though I agree with Larry. Good morning, John C. All right, anybody new here that has any questions? Anybody new here? Please don't forget for 1 second, that Bree and I have three scores to stand. We are senior stand ambassadors. What does that mean? We're extremely successful at what we do. I'm debating on whether or not to show one of the stores sales for the year to date. Probably not going to do that. Right? We are currently working on something. It's taking a lot longer than expected because, well, it just does every time. Um, would anyone like me to go over the Holy Grail trade as we watch this hit the blue line or come so close to its Holy Grail trade is a trade in theory that cannot miss. I've been trying to get this coded for a long time. But we're on the verge of having it. Looks like it'll be SPX and NAS, and then probably gold in there also. And we might even have be able to draw a couple more. The way it's coded is coded against basically 3-4 symbols for something and 3-4 symbols against it, and we're using those that knowledge to be able to call a trade that should not miss. Okay, so no one wants to know about Holy Grail trade. Cool. You probably didn't have your question asked on live, Chester. If it's not there, there's nothing I can do about it. But this thing just go up there and touch that motherfucking blue light so I can move on. There it is. Touchdown. Touchdown. We have touchdown. NAS 100. So the 3 minute blue line is called out at the beginning of this slide. But nonetheless, it's there. There it is. If you want to learn how to trade consistently so you can make consistent profits, buy the system. Where do you go to buy the system? Let's see. My system can help you make consistent profits through trading. That is true. Works on over 1,000 trading view symbols. That is true. Use any broker you like. That is true. Tier 3 signals get all indicators on your trading view chart. For more information, go or buy it, sixtree.com. That is true. Yep. That's what I'd recommend. There it is. How can I call a trade hours before it occurs? Same way call it days before it occurs. System. Everybody here can learn it. There you go. Does that mean SPX went up too? You know it did, and it's making money too. US 30, probably farting around in whatever land, but let's see. Look, US 30 is just, it is like, no, I'm going to go up and touch it. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. But it gives you money once. It gave you money twice. It gave you money 3 times. It's giving you money 4 times on US 30. Meaning you could have took this trade 4 times on the way up to its blue line. Let's see it, coach. Holy Grail says fire and phone. What's 30 plus 1 minute? Yeah, Brian. See, Brian and I are thinking alike. That's scary. But there you go. Yeah, he knows how to read it. He knows where it's going. Let's assume it never touches its blue line, right? So it's going there. You'd have entered in somewhere here on the red and yellow. It went up to here. You'd have been up 13 pips. You would have made more in this one shitty ass little trade on US 30 than a professional trader makes in multiple trades a day. They try to get a tick or two, maybe a pip, and they'll trade multiple times a day to try to get to 10 pips in a day. And they're only right 64% of the time. I'm telling you right now, if my signal service is less than 80% on any given symbol, I'll take the symbol out. If it's less than 80% on any given anything, I'll close down the signal service if the win rate isn't over that. If I can't beat with my signal service a professional trader, I'm embarrassed. Speaking of which, I throw this out there to you, and you guys can come on anytime you want. Any trader, professional or not, just has to have a U.S. phone number only because I'm not. If you have a U.S. phone number and you want to do live trade, come on. I'll put my signal service against any professional trader in the world, any trading group in the world, any trading algorithm in the world. I'll put, yeah, let's do that. Want to see something funny? Oh, there it is. Touchdown again. By the system. By the system. Next contestant on the Price is Right position. Very, very eyes. It's called out live. There it is. There, touchdown. There it is again. Called out live. I didn't trade these out, but some of you did some demo trades. Now it's 3 minute blue line. US 32, it's 1 minute blue line. So if anybody out there would like to trade against my signal service, I will put my signal service against any of you, any trader, any group trader, any algorithm, any other robot, any other trading system. Look at it go. Look at it go. Any of you, it'll win. My signal service will win. If by some miracle of God you guys somehow were able to defeat my signal service, then I will trade against you. And good luck with that. As you can see, we're kind of okay on the trading my business. How many other traders do you see calling out this trade to the blue line hours ago on mass at 3 minutes? The US 32 to 1 minute. Who? I don't see it. But yet here I am doing it every day for the last 2 years on TikTok, nearly 2 years on YouTube. See, guys, we go to the blue line. Anybody out there saying thank God for that? Because I'm thanking God for that. Thank God. Thank you. Thank God. There it is live. Look at it go up so high that we can't even touch the sky. Look at it. It's off my screen. It's going so high. Like a book in a book. Reading Schmay Schmo. Look at US 30 go. Oh, it's coming back down again. It's a fucking 30-second, 1 minute buy. And you want it to go up forever. I'm going to tell you this right here. You'd have got in somewhere around here. You'd have made 35 pips, 30 pips on the trade. Oh, it's going down. Look at it go down, Kev. I didn't say it was going to go up forever. Fucking 30-second trade. Blue line, 1 minute blue line. Guess what? It did exactly like I said it would. I know you guys take all this for granted. I know everyone else is like, does it every day. It's no big deal. It's a fucking big deal that I'm able to do. It's fucking huge. Haters can't come on anymore and say the system doesn't work because obviously we have money. We have the signal service. It works. So all they can do is say, well, I can out trade you. Okay. Well, come on out and out trade me. Come on out and out trade the signal service. Come on. Come on. Why is everybody so quiet out there? Why are all the haters saying, oh, it only works for Kevin? Really? Well, then you come on here, Mr. Head and Shoulders man. Who is that clown? Head and Shoulders works. No, it doesn't. It actually loses. It doesn't win 82% of the time. That's a lie. I did a deep dive into it. It took me 2 minutes to show you how it was a lie. Where you at, Head and Shoulders, boy? Where's any of you at with your Fibonacci retracements? Don't give me no shit. I tried Fibonacci for a year and a half on NAS and EURUSD. I couldn't get that thing to work, and I said, why can't I get it to work? But then I found out that it was by nature. The Fibonacci sequence is from nature, shell. I was beautiful, gorgeous. It has nothing to do with trading, nothing to do with money. God, I was so pissed when I found that out. Naming of candles and candle patterns. There's no such thing as a candle. It's price action. But how are you going to name price action? Morning star, evening star, railroad star, Thor's hammer. What are you talking about? Look at this go on. As call. Just saying. Here you go, Larry. Thank you, guys. Right. Amen. Amen, Larry. Thank God. Thank God. Absolutely. Uh, what's up, Bob? Good morning, Bob. What about Bob? Still love that movie. It's a little corny, but I love it. Bill Murray in it. All right. So enough of that. We watched it touch the blue line live on US 30. We watched it touch the blue line live on NAS 3 minute. We watched it go up. You want to watch fucking SPX go up this blue line? Really? Really? I want to go over this Holy Grail trade. So much to do on it. Thank you. Okay, this weekend. I mean, this is all pre-market open. Whoever the losers are, don't trade Mondays. It's a trap day. Really, don't trade Fridays. It's a trap day. Well, that fucking takes out. Don't trade Sunday nights trap day. What? You can't trade Mondays. You can't trade Fridays. Oh, Wednesday's reversal day. You never know if it's going to reverse on Wednesdays. Don't trade Wednesdays. Well, when the fuck are you supposed to trade? No, I do say don't trade my system with NFT and some of the new states as well. You guys aren't experienced enough with the system, but if you are, I make money every time we trade. Every time we make money, NFP, all that. But you have to have some experience with this. Okay, this is what you think, Rob. You're not doing it. We already watched NAS. We already watched US 30 do its thing. What do I have to watch? Yep. All right, let's look at this. Let's go over to the Holy Grail trade and see what's going on. Let's see what we shall see. The impossible dream. I don't even have it on here no more. Let's go over here. Because we've updated so many times. Holy shit. The Holy Grail. Da, 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 da. Oh, yeah. We had a little rainbow issue. Ha ha ha. Keith is working on this part of it. I forgot about that. Yeah. He has it's calling out, well, it's kind of calling out Chris. This is a Holy Grail DSP daily safety tree. So yes, this is correct. But we have a problem with all these with the horizontal lines. And there's no horizontal line. Trading here is so funny. But yeah, there it is. There it is. There's the Holy Grail trade. There's the Holy Grail trade. Yep. So yeah, it's starting to call out the correct trades real accurately. The problem comes in is calling out all these horizontal trades. Looks like Fruit Loops or something, but yeah, that's not supposed to be there. So Keith is working on that to cut that out, but we don't care as long as it's right. Yeah, there it is. Holy Grail trade in. Correct, correct. And there they are. We have to do some tweaking on the sounds yet. Yeah, see, we have to do some tweaking. The buys are looking very, very good though. What it's doing is combining this is combining six different symbols on a buy and a sell that are coded against each other, and that's what it's doing. And it's comparing them on the weekly and daily, and then it compares them to the parameters that I set, and then the order of operations. And then it makes this call. So it's doing a lot. It's doing a lot more than what your normal signal service is doing. This is taking in a lot of variables. When we're done tweaking this and getting this set up properly, Lord willing, this will be a trade that it won't happen too often. It will happen maybe once every month or two, maybe twice every couple months. But when it happens, it will better be 99.999% accurate. And that's what you're thinking. It will be for NAS and SPX at first, and probably gold. We'll probably see gold. And then we might be able to expand it to other symbols, depending on how accurate we can make the reading. Okay, and that's coming up. Let's go under our coming up projects one. Upcoming possible projects. We are developing the following trading indicators to help you more consistent with your trading. Please know at this time we will not be charging for any of these future indicators, meaning anyone in the monthly signal plans, you will get these indicators if when they come out, they came out. This will be a free upgrade from Bree and I, of course, keeped by the great team. Number one is completed. Plus additional Freedom Signal service will be used in Signal Discord starting 6/17. It has been. You will have the tier threes and tier yes, and you've got it on your chart. See that? It's happened. Free upgrade. We didn't charge you a damn thing for it. Free and I can charge you through that gas for what you're getting. If you're in tier one, you're getting those signal upgrades, $150 a month, no extra charge, 10 of them. Tier two is 20 of them. Tier three, unlimited and on your chart, and you have those now. How cool. Next, the Holy Grail signals for SPX, NAS, and gold. In theory, this is a signal that cannot miss because of the way certain pairs are coded. I would expect God to still make the Holy Grail signal miss, but other than that, it should be correct all the time. Not sure about ERU or USD. Last, we're going to have an HA scanner signal. And then I'll see if there's any more upgrades we need to do for you guys. I think at that point it should be a complete system. We don't need to do anything else. That's it. So remember, guys, let's be clear. Number one, Bree and I never had to share the system with you in the first place. I kept it myself for the first year and a half, made my money back, plus all the money I wanted to make, because I thought maybe they would catch wind of it and want to close this down. They haven't, and we're still going strong, so I'm very happy. Two, even if we shared the system with you, I didn't have to keep upgrading it to try to make it easier for you to use what I did. I kept trying everything possible. For now, to Signal Service 3. I sure as hell didn't have to give you any upgrades to the Signal Service. It's working just fine. And I had to do it because it's the right thing to do. That's it. And now we're sitting right here. Holy Grail should be finished soon. We'll see. If it is, it will be a free upgrade. Everybody in Discord Room 1, Tier 1, will be getting one Holy Grail signal a month. Tier 2 will be getting 2 Holy Grail signals a month. Tier 3 will be getting unlimited Holy Grail signals a month. And this is a free upgrade. We're basically giving you a trade that can't miss for free. Yay. I'm not saying it won't miss. I'm just saying it will be not. I know how it sounds. I get how accurate signals are. People can't believe it. I don't give a fuck. They're that accurate. Well, this and that, I don't care. Yes, it is, and yes, it works. That's all. All right. What do we have? About 45 minutes to mark it open. Well, might as well use this for advanced training because advanced training today is going to be very short. It's going to be like 15, 20 minutes. We'll get around 2 o'clock, 2:05. We'll be getting an email 5 minutes before it goes live, and that's it. So if you guys have any questions you'd like to ask, you can email them in right now. I'll answer them. This is an open mic Q&A. Right? If anybody has any questions, please ask them now. Uh, okay. Where were we? No, no question, no question. Well, all right. I'm trying to stall here just for a minute to see if we can't see this go up. I don't know. It may or may not do that. I don't think we're getting it this morning. All right. Some questions were emailed in. All right. Let's see. Okay. What the fuck? Yeah. Yeah, we know. Could have swore I called out a 15-minute south stop towards a 30-minute blue line on gold. I'm not sure if I did though. If not, play 15-second through 15-minute south stop to the 30-minute blue line on gold. Did they not call that this morning? Anybody remember? I think I did though. It looks quite obvious that I would have done that. Then gold. Yeah, I love that. 7 hour. See, I told you it still had to come down more. This has to separate. The pink has to come down and separate just like it did here. It's turning into a daily buy is what it's going to do, or at least a 12-hour daily. Yeah, but anyway, that's what I'm seeing on that gold. Should finish this out down to there. Jan, yes, we did last night. Oh, I did last night too. Thank you, Ryan. Thank you, Jan. Jay Parker Edition. Thank you, Jay. Well, it's John, I believe. Stephanie. And 1 hour sell on NAS, I believe. Okay. And don't forget, yeah, this is going to go down. Yes, it's going to go down in price. Boom, boom. Absolutely. 1 hour for sure. I could see it going down even towards that 1 hour for sure. 3 hour, no, but it's going to go low. 7 hours about to flip right now. Yeah, that 7 hour gold buy, 12-hour gold buy off the screen line on the 7 hours. Nice. Daily just needs a split. I'm going to hang on gold, even though the weekly is a buy. I love this one. I want it to come down further. I want this pink. Let me draw it out for him. I want this pink to come down here like this, and I want the blue to do that. And when it looks like this, then I'll be calling out those buys. This is what's going to happen in the near future with gold on the daily. You need this pink to come down further. If it does a fast hookup, there's nothing we can do about it, other than if you have your buy gold on your weekly. But other than that, you got to wait. I want it to look exactly like this did right here. I prefer us to have a little gap right there, which we do. I prefer the screen to come down more. Yeah, I mean, it may be a buy on the 7 hour. It might go up, but for me and my purposes, I'm going to wait on that. I'm in no rush. I just don't like doing maybes and could be's. I want it to be exact. Let that come down, then I'll get back into it. Let this pink line come down. Let blue go shooting straight across. Again, what this is, yes, the system right here is unbelievable. You look at just these ones right here. Unbelievable. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stuff up. This right is just psychotically good. That's all I can tell you. It makes this the fourth most important part of the trade. The first, second, and third most important part of the trade. So can't speak. Look, same exact here and here for the buys. USD is perfectly, by the way. Your weekly dailies. There they are. Buy stop, just like I called it. Buy stop, filling the gap. Buy stop, filling the gap. Buy stop right here, and there it is up. And I know a lot of you don't like playing around with the weekly dailies, but I'm telling you, that's where your safest money is. Yes, you might have to eat a little bit here and there, but it's still the safest money. 1 hour on there. So I'll have to look at that. Okay, John. What's up, Tony? I'm so proud of you, Tony. What's up, Tony? Let's look at NAS 1 hour. Yeah. So come up, ricochet, come back down. Already hit it once. Kind of already did the ricochet, but I don't think so. Yeah, we are. NAS specifically. I'm not saying that for US 30. US 30 is different. I'm saying that for NAS. I told you it was a come up, hit up like this, hook, and then swing and come back down. Or if any kind of news today or tomorrow, they'll save for the news. Blast it down then. at this point to spice things up. I really wish a hater would come on. Where's all the haters at? They all ran away with their tails between the legs now that I came out with the signals. Where is the haters at? I guess they can't really argue that when these blue lines are calling for a buy and they're all right, what are they supposed to do? The yellow lines are sells and they're all right. What are they supposed to do? And the blue lines are buys and they're all right. Can you imagine what you guys are witnessing? This is on a daily chart. Look at this. Look at the accuracy of what you're witnessing. These are 30-second buys and sells or 5-minute buys and sells. These are daily, weekly buys and sells. Oh, insanity. '09. Since '09, so for 15 years. See what I mean? People, wow. I would wait for this. How I would trade if I were you guys. Do all this stuff, do whatever you want. That's fun, fun, fine. You'll make all kinds of money. Great, that's great. But long term, if I had children again, or if I had whatever, I would literally wait for the market to correct. It's got to come crashing down. This has to 30%, 40%, 50%, 60%. The hell, whatever it comes down to, I let it come down. Let it come hard and deep down. Once it came down, though, I would open up a VOO account or something equal to that in Vanguard, and then just let them trade the top 20 or 30 or 50 different, doesn't matter, companies in any sector, doesn't fucking matter, and trade the US market. Unless you honest to God think that someone's military is going to be stronger than the United States market, I would trade the United States market VOO, and then I would do it where they just keep filtering in and out the best companies. And just like I told everybody, for 23 years, the market's gone straight up. Once it resets again and they bring in the digital dollar and all that crap, it'll go straight up again. Unless you think America is going to get over surpassed. And by the way, I believe it's the next 10 industrial countries combined don't spend as much on military as we do. And the reason why they have to topple our military is they can't get rid of America as being the money standard unless it's through military. There's no way that we're going to allow us to drop. So that's just my opinion on things. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm telling you that's what I would do because you can't lose. It'd be like you'd have to be like you can't lose. I mean, for 20 something years, NAS and SPX in years 30 just went straight up. Well, it's not going to stop anytime soon. Look, it's going to reset, but that's just typical like back here, 3 years, 20, 2004. That's your curve. Look at here's SPX, NAS. Again, not a financial advisor. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about, but I do okay trading. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Huh. So take that trade right there. Let's go back just for fun. Just for shits and giggles. Let's go to this one right here. I'm just gonna do this just okay. They both match green, green. We're gonna do a buy. Trade. Anytime these flash, you can re-enter with rules. You can enter again. Oh, what the hell? Well, that's good. Anytime they flash, you can do it again, again. Anytime they flash, you can re-enter with rules. I've already done enough. I'm sure you guys. This is so much fun. So much fucking fun. Look at all the times you could have re-entered these trades. Look at your money. Anytime it reflashes, you can use your rules entry. Watch when this comes back up. Watch when this comes back up. Look at your money. Wait for this blue to raise. Look, there it goes. Look at your money. Look at this thing. Watch the separation. Watch when the pink rises now. Look at your money. It's going to do it again. Holy fucking shit. There it is. Doesn't matter how much money that is. That's just for flash. What matters is the win rate. I entered in with 4 or 5 or 6 times. Never flashed its numbers. That's it. Wow. It isn't revisionist history. This isn't could be, would be's, maybes. These are unchangeable. These are non-repainting, they're called. Signals, they're always the same. Every time we look back at it, they'll always be there. I believe you're the first guy to search for haters. I know, right? I looked for him to come on. Like, yeah, what you been on the SPX 1 hour, 30 minutes self forming. Sorry, went over that. I did. Can you answer this? Of course you can. It's straight off of the higher time frame and scale below. Chester, again, like I told you, the first words out of my mouth, you need to go back and rewatch about the last dozen of my live YouTube videos, and then you'll have a much better understanding of things. But yes, the system is equipped to trade. It's not, you have to, if you think you know anything about trading, Chester, just stop. You do not. Just forget everything you thought you knew. It's all wrong. All of it's wrong. Just let it go, let it go, let it go. Then after that, once you realize that what you thought you knew about trading was all wrong, then start learning. Yes, we go all the way down with the system, including the signals down to the 30 seconds. So you can trade 30-second, minute, 1 minute, three on the 1 hour. Off the 1 hour. The problem comes in, it's very fast until you get good with the system. You're not going to money. Yeah, see the blues on the buys. The very first time there's a blue, it's a buy and you make money. The very first time there's an orange, it's a sell and you'll make money on the sell. So yes, it goes down 30 seconds, but remember this. The 30-second stuff, while you're scalping, is just scared trading. It's just trying to get in and out because you don't really know how to trade. You're not holding trades long. It's fine to do, but it's not, whatever. Not recommended. You should be trading the daily and the hourly and the 5 minute, and then save this one for scalping once you actually understand how to trade. You see some of something about SPX 1 hour. I think, yeah, uh, it's forming your, the NAS is better actually. Like I told you, NAS is better for the buy, and then NAS down to its. I like this trade better. Sell 1 hour blue line. SPX will do it also. NAS is going to do it fast. Blue line up. Do it. Thank you, Bob, for speaking up. Yeah. What's up, Lino 26? All right. I think I answered everybody's question. Oh, precious. All right, I'll be back in 5 minutes. Precious. Everyone, look at things, do whatever you're going to do. I'll be back in just a few minutes. Ask some questions, something. I'll be right back. Let's see, who's back? Probably no one left. 9:08. Oh, we still have time for trades. Good. Okay. What's up, guys? I'm all back. Places to go and people to see. All right, let's take this off right here. Put this over here. Let's see if we can find some ERUSD trades before open for you guys. ERUSD. Boy, that must have been one hell of a sell. Where are we going with this thing? Negative 5 minute, negative 10 minute, 10 minute sell for the blue line, 15-minute sell. Yeah. Play any 15-second through 15-minute sell stop to the 15-minute blue line on EURUSD. I like that a lot, actually. After that, and it's going to be a minute after that, too. 4 hour SPY, 4 hour, 7 or 12 hour daily. Hasn't fallen enough. After that, you're going to see this pink line separate from the blue right here, like I showed you before in the other one. Then it's going to be back to the blue line. I don't know if it's going to hit that blue line again, though. Shit, I've done it so many times. Yeah, I'm going to call it. Daily buy stop, ERUSD to the blue line. That's not fast money, though. Weekly sell stop, weekly, monthly sell stop, ERUSD. Oil. So, nothing. Damn. Yeah, no, there's daily 12 hour, 12 hour. I think it hit it. Hold on. I think we already hit it. Did. Nothing to call short term for oil. Daily buy, and it's going to come up rather quickly. I think the daily buy will happen within this time next week. I think it's going to hook over and come back up again. I believe so, anyways. So daily is daily, weekly buy, weekly, monthly sell oil, depending on what time frame you like to play. Gold, 15-second buy, 10-second buy, 15-second buy, the 15-second blue line of gold to the 30-second blue line of gold, forming a gold. Already did it. 10 minutes sell. Already did 15 minutes sell. Already did 30 minutes sell. Gold. Yeah, I still need that separation again. I expect a little more dip down for gold. I'm not playing it until this pink line hits the bottom and the blue line stays high across the top, and I want to see a gap right here like this for space there. So I'm holding on gold. Like I said, there's nothing I'm going to call on gold. The X and NAS and US 30. Yeah. Buy stop SPX, fill in the gap, 15-second through 3 minute buy stop to the 3 minute blue line. SPX buy. NAS. Play any. Hold on. Yeah. Play any buy stop NAS, 15-second through 5 minutes of the 5 minute, at least towards the 5 minute blue line. By the way, you're in the money on my buy stop, the last one I called. US 30. It did go up and hit its blue line, I see. US 30. Blue line, 15 seconds. So 30 seconds to the 30 second. Sell stop, 10-second, 15-second, 30-second sell stop to the 30-second blue line, US 30. If you don't like that, then play the 3 minute buy stop, US 30. Okay? You're in the money on the sell I just called out seconds ago. I already did the ricochet once. This will be the second time. First time's always the best. I think it's not going to go down, but it went down enough. Not a lot of pips. About 4 or 5 pips, maybe 3 net. And you're out of that. All right. Um, Boy, they haven't tagged me on TikTok or something. That's weird. Keith Rooney. I don't have any time to talk to Keith this morning. He's probably sleeping. Make sure to hit that thumbs up. Thank you, Jason. Uh, okay, no questions on TikTok or YouTube. I'll start calling out these SPX, NASs, and US 30. I usually narrow in on 2 of them. Touchdown, touchdown. We have touchdown on a 30-second sell on US 30 to its blue line. It touched it and hit it. You touched it and hit it. You can close down your trade if you kept one open, lock one down. It made about 6, maybe 7. There you go. There it is. Whoop, there it is. Whoop, there it is. Whoop, 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 whoop. There it is. Whoop, there it is. I'm gonna have to go immediately after 9:30, probably no more than 2 or 3 minutes after the open. I'm gonna go ahead and go. I've got too much to do today. Entirely too much to do today. Training to this, to that, to this, to that. Holy shit. But at least it's just today. I won't be done training. I'll start training at noon. This one guy's a one-on-one, then a small group, then the advanced training session, and then another, well, basically, one, two, three, about 4 hours away. Right? Look at that go down as called out live with you guys right here. Now you're up to 16 pips on the sell on US 30, lock in profit, take profit, close one down, keep one open. It did hit its 30 seconds. Zippity doo dah, zippity yay. You just made money on US 30. Zippity doo dah. Good morning, Kim the Candle Emulate. Good morning, Kim. Not worried if you guys are on TikTok or YouTube. It's been an easy morning. I don't really get where you guys are at. Plenty of sunshine coming your way. Zippity. It looks like you're in the money on your zippity doo dah, zippity yay. My, oh my, what a wonderful day. Plenty of sunshine coming your way. Zippity doo dah. Zippity. Yeah, you're in the money on your 3 minute, 5 minute buy stop. On the, see if you get that final little push up there. There. SPX buy to the blue line, 3 minute. Zippity doo dah. Zippity. All that one, you guys just perfect call. 15-second sell stop. Boom, boom, boom. 30-second sell stop to the blue line, filling the gap. Boom, boom, boom. Just perfection. Easiest money ever is that call I made for you. That was about 16 pips, of which you should have cleared like 10 or 12 easy. You in 3 long-term trade buys. One's a NAS, two US 30s. I've been tapped out of my gold in profit. I've been tapped out of my oil was in profit. I think gold twice was in profit. My Oz USD was in profit. Zippity, my oh my, what a wonderful day. Plenty of sunshine coming your way. Let me go over. Do I have time to go over this? Why this was the best trade right there? I do. Over here, we're going to place our 1 minute chart. Over here is going to be zippity doo dah, zippity. My, oh my, oh my, oh my. Here we go. Looking at US 30, I'm going to explain the call that I just made and how I was able to make that call with such accuracy right before your eyes. In case some of you just take for granted what you're seeing is just imagine trading by yourself and then imagine having 1,000 other people trade with you. That's basically what I have on a daily basis. Ending 300, 400 on a couple hundred on TikTok to go through. Generally speaking, 300 to 400, maybe 500 on YouTube. Combine the two, you're looking at about anywhere from about 700 to about 2,000 every day watching the videos. Let's take a look at why and how they work. Well, easy peasy, peeps. We have rules. Rule number one: sniper on our 30 seconds is low. Number two is the pink line high. It is. Number three, did the blue line join it on the smaller time frame right here? It did. Number four, is there a 4 6? So look, right inside of you, right inside you have 1 and 2. Then you can come over here trading to the blue line. Look over here, you're going to see your blue line low, pink line high. The top three most important things are not the sell stop. 7, if you guys understand that. The top three most important things are the sniper's low, the sniper pink line is high on the higher time frame. Then the blue line joined it, and then there's the sell stop. Sell. First time is the best, it went right down to the blue line and passed. We didn't catch that one, so I caught this one right here. And this is the one I caught for you guys. If you look, you're going to see the blue line, low, pink line, high, coolest shit. Right here, this green shows in this black space, and it's going to the line. And that's how you make it. That's how I told you to take the trade. Why I told you to take the trade, demo only, and how you make money taking that trade. What's up, Solace? Morning, Solace. All right, that explanation semi makes sense to you. Hopefully it did. And that's as straightforward as anyone can ever tell you. You need to have the sniper if you want to make these fast trades like this. One of the new guys that hasn't bought you was asking, this is how you take the trade. Full of fucking shit when you realize how this all interconnects. How this right here fits into this space right here. So remember in our business, red means down, green means up. So this green arrow right here is saying up, right? Right here. But the reality is that is our bullshit vector. Below that, we have red here, red here, red here. We have our cycle 1, 2, and 3 all pointing out, pointing down. I know my color changed. So many downs. We're probably up to about 15, 16 downs as opposed to any kind of buys. It's just amazing. That's why I called it. Why didn't I call it? Because the third time it happens, you're getting too deep and it's not going to work again. Particular time frame. So it went up again. Yep, I didn't call it down on that, did I? I called the second one. The first one should have been called. We were a little late. So I saw the second one. I called it. That's how you do it. Morning, Solace. How much time do I have left? Oh, so why isn't my alarm going off? Where's my alarms? 7 minutes before market open. Let's head back over to our single chart view, and let's go ahead and so that can be no bullshit. care? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Would you, would you be my neighbor? Watching all the touch blue line as we speak. There is SPX going up. Now, what do I think is going to happen at open? 1 minute buy. I think you're going to see the completion of SPX touching its blue line. 15 to 10 second through 3 minute buy stop to the 3 minute blue line of SPX. Buy stop. NAS. NAS. Hello. Towards its 5 minute blue line. Yep, I believe so. It's going to be real nice if we can get a pullback against that. Now, 1 hour sell stop. NAS to its 1 hour blue line. So you can take the short term buys or you can take the longer term sell. I happen to be in longer term buys, like the longest in those. US 30, I'm not calling a sell for, not on the 30 minute or 15 minute. I'm just not. I like the SPX sell, 1 hour. I like the NAS sell best of all. NAS sell best of all. Plenty of sunshine heading my way. Zippity doo dah. Zippity yay. All right. Buy SPX to the 3 minute blue line for NAS, SPX, and US 30. So SPX 3 minute blue line is hit. Then look for NAS sell 1 hour. If it doesn't break before open, like right at open, look for the NAS sell to kick in somewhere around 10 to 10:30. If it doesn't happen then, it's going to happen by 2 to 2:30 in that time period. You'll see a break back down. So that's my call outs. That's for NAS, SPX, and US 30. I don't know if I can be any more specific than that, other than going in your computers and taking too much for you. 3 minutes to market open. I'm only going to stay on just a couple minutes after that. And then, then, Nickelodeon. Nickelodeon. Gotta get our Vegas house, wait for them to respond. Why did they not respond yet? Talking about and doesn't look like they responded. Wow. Yeah, try again. Not letting me see my. Nope, not either. Gonna be the one and only. Gonna be the one. Gonna be the one and only. Da-da-da-da-da-da. All right, just a couple minutes, minute and a half to market open. Buy stop, 10-second. NAS. Buy stop, 10-second SPX. US 30, buy stop, fill in the gap. These are very fast moving things, so be careful with these things. Don't get carried away. Sell stop, 1 hour NAS. Buy stop, 10, 15 seconds NAS and SPX and US 30. Let me see US 30 1 minute again. Nope, I did it. Yeah, we need a little pullback. Hopefully, what they're going to do is dump this down a little bit on one of these. Where it does this right here, and open it goes down, and then we'll catch that on the way back up. Let's hope. All right. I love when it does that. We need a little more of a pullback, but if not, you guys should be in it. Oh, looky there. Looky there. Vicky Vale. Vicky Vale. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Market open in less than 35 seconds. We have touchdown. Touchdown. Close down your SPX buy stop before market open. It already made you money. Thank God. Thank God. There it is. There's your touchdown. You're in the money on your SPX buy. To the blue line, close down the trade, leave one open, and you're in the money on your NAS. And look at the money you're in on your buy, 10-second buy on US 30. Close down any trades. There's no need to trade market open. Lock in profit, lock in profit. You've already made shit tons of money right before market open. All three bid perfectly. There you go. Market up. Look at US 30 go to the moon. Close down your trades. Take your profit out. Take your profit out at US 30. Boom, baby. Boom. SPX. Fine. Beautiful. Went up and touched this 3 minute. Go ahead and get out. Told you to close the trade down on SPX. Close it down. Buy stop. NAS. Sell on NAS. Buy stop SPX. Sell on NAS. The NAS 15 minute is engaged. You should already be in the money on that trade. 1 hour. Take that sell on this trade. Take the sell on NAS. SPX. No, I want you to do your buy on SPX. US 30, you're in a buy. Doesn't matter. US 30, you're in so much money, it's godlike. NAS, be prepared for that 1 hour sell to engage. SPX, I would just stay out of the market with SPX. You already made your money. US 30, buy. Don't care. NAS, if that sell engages, you're in the gauge. All right, I'm done. All right, everybody on TikTok, God bless you. Talk to y'all later. Probably not today. Hope y'all make money. Get the money on. God bless. Have a good day. YouTube. That was nice and easy. So, thank you for the calls. You're welcome, Jake Parker. All right. God bless you all on YouTube. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Hope you have a great Monday. Talk to y'all later.